Release the fucking Bonnie Blue files, bro. I want to know every single man. Oh god, almost just so many fucking rabbits. You're gonna get run over. Oh shit, I don't know how you fucking survived that, to be honest. Right, England's just lost the fucking World Cup, so I'm gonna take my anger out by running over children. I feel like that's the only appropriate way, to be honest. But it is about 5 AM, I think. I can't really read the time, bro. I failed maths GCSE anyway. Currently en route for a little B-road bash. Allegedly, of course. We'll stick to the speed limits. Get the fuck out my way. Not in the mood for it, okay? I came out to record videos, not fucking play with birds. I had a nap from like 8 till 10. I don't know why I thought that'd be a good idea. I think I'll have to pay the consequences now. I used my indicators there, didn't I? Beautiful day for it. I think last time I recorded in the morning, it was just really fucking bright, so it's impossible for me to see anything. Well, I say me. Not only me, it was the viewers as well. But that's kind of not my fault, guys. All right, it's not my. I can't control the sun. Unfortunately, I don't have any actual Jewish ties. I know a lot of you noticed the Star of David in there. That was a joke, okay? Because I feel like everyone genuinely thinks I'm some sort of Mossad agent, and I can assure you right now, I'm definitely not a Mossad agent. I think, and if I was, I wouldn't tell you anyway, because they'd probably be paying me good money. And I'm gonna come out and say it right now. I would sell my soul to the state of Israel. So, Netanyahu, if you're watching this video, please let me know. I'm open to offers. We can work out a deal. Fuck it, I'll sell my soul if it means I can be driving around an SVJ. I mean, you guys probably fucking hate me for it, but hey, who else is gonna own an SVJ at 19 years old legally? You know, I need this video to come out before I go on holiday, but the downside to that is that I'm burning through a full tank of fuel, which is also not ideal because I need to drive to the airport, which is like an hour away, and then I need to drive back, and I don't really want to fill up again. Like, I feel like I fill up this car, like, bro, this car's fuel tank gets opened more times than Bonnie Blue's legs does, bro. It's fucking crazy. Like, you think she's ran through, bro? Come take a look at my car and the fuel bills in the fucking glove box that I showed you last video. And on the topic of Bonnie Blue, I don't think there's anything wrong with Bonnie Blue. Like, people like to call her out, but you got to think about all the guys doing it as well. Like, it's not just Bonnie Blue in the wrong here, bro. Come on. Like, you guys all fucking acting like the guys are saints, bro. We need, fuck the fucking Jeffrey Epstein files, bro. Release the Bonnie Blue files. I want to. Oh, there's a dead thing. Release the fucking Bonnie Blue files, bro. I want to know every single man. Oh god, almost just so many fucking rabbits. You're gonna get run over. Oh shit, I don't know how you fucking survived that, to be honest, but. Sorry, where was I? Yeah, you better release these files about Bonnie Blue and all this shit. I need to know what kind of man is genuinely paying real. No, they're not even paying money, but I forgot. She's a free sex worker. She genuinely does this shit for the love of the game, which I guess I rate her for that. But come on, bro. If I was doing shit like that and fucking 1,000 guys in a day, I'd at least expect some sort of compensation. What, fucking views on the internet, bro? I do that. I do that for free. No, I don't even do that for free, bro. I'm a better person than Bonnie Blue. Yeah, at least I get paid to chat shit on TikTok. What the fuck is she doing? Seeing how far I can stretch my pussy. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. I don't even know if I want to edit this video now. Like, I'm going to be watching this back and then, like, later today and just be thinking, what the fuck am I doing with my life? Wait, how can you be as a man? Oh, bro, I don't care how desperate I get. I don't think I'd ever step foot in that. Literally, you could step foot in, bro. You could fucking use it as a cave, bro. Some homeless people complaining about the housing crisis, bro. Why don't they just come take a look inside of Bonnie Blue's? Nah, okay. Too far. Okay, there's actual homeless people and Bonnie Blue's not a bad person. I don't know why. I feel like someone's stolen my catalytic converters, bro. My car sounds so much louder. And I wouldn't be surprised if they did steal my catalytic converters. This is the fucking UK after all. You know, I feel like I may have dodged the missile by not living in Somalia, but we got the closest thing next to it, which is pretty much Birmingham. So, but I don't live in Birmingham, thankfully. So we dodged 2 missiles. But on the topic of dodging missiles, I hope Argentina doesn't dodge their missiles that are coming through by the British Army. Like, I'm not even English myself. I was just LARPing it for that England game because Latvia is too shit to get into the World Cup. So I had to pick a team, and I guess I'll pick the one that I live in. So we're watching England. What the fuck was the first half about, bro? Why was I watching everyone just snap the English player? Everyone's just okay with it. But I don't know what kind of black magic Messi. To be fair, I did see that picture of him kissing the wall in Israel, so it kind of makes sense, you know. Argentina does have direct links with Israel. I literally got a call from the what's his name, Netanyahu, the other day. He called me up. He's like, yo, bro, keep it on the low. And obviously I'm not keeping it on the low because fuck that guy. He told me keep it on the low, bro, but I'm pretty sure Argentina have direct links to Israel and that Messi is in fact a Mossad agent. So there you go. You're asking, how did they do it? How did they come back from 1-0? There you go, mate. Messi's literally a Mossad agent at the end of the day, so I don't know what you expect. Get out the fucking way, bro. Birds genuinely have to be the stupidest thing ever, and people are still convinced pigeons are real. You drive past them every single time. They're sat in the middle of the road. There's nothing even in the road. Aren't you meant to be in fucking trees? But no, they're in the middle of the road. Look at him, look at him. He's there because he's got a camera inside of his eyes. They're both spying on us. Look, they're walking. What birds do you see walking? Imminent danger, and they're sat in the middle of the road staring you down. Yeah, probably got your government info, your bank details, your social security number. They know exactly where you live as well. You guys think it's a coincidence? Oh, he's a weird conspiracy theorist. For the record, you know, I'm not suicidal in any way. I'd never take my own life. I love my life. Okay, so Israel, you can't try to take me out with 3 gunshots to the back of my head and claim it as a suicide. You could double it and pass it on to the next guy, bro. I'm not trying to roll with that shit. I want to live at least until I have like an SVJ, and then after that, I may as well have completed life at that point. It was T-boned to me, bro. No one's got their eyes on this morning. Fair, these are all wage slaves. These are all goyims, as Netanyahu would call them. They're all on their way to work, so it's understandable, you know. Just got off a late night session of doom scrolling, and this guy is really up my ass. I don't know if you can see it in the rear view mirror, but a little bit more space would be nice, man. I don't want to feel like Bonnie Blue personally. I know there's some girls that may aspire to be like that. I am personally not one of them, and I'm not a woman either, so let's chill out with that bullshit. I also just get nervous when people are following way too close up behind me. Like, I'll just instantly think it's like an undercover fed, even though I have nothing to worry about, I think. Might have 4 bold tyres, but you didn't hear that from me, and obviously that's in a Assetto Corsa. Anyone actually wants to check them out, my tyres are brand new. Oh, he was just rushing on his way to work. Why am I in gear 3 already, bro? This is buns. That's one thing I've noticed with this car, is that it decides to change, like, because I don't really bother using the paddles or the manual shifting, because I feel like that's kind of boring. I guess that's my fault at the end of the day. I don't know what I'm expecting. And you know, for 5 in the morning, I think it'd be a lot fucking quieter, but there's so many cars on the road, you know? Yeah, that's fine, mate. You go wherever you feel like. You better stop, though. I'm all talk. I'm all bark, no bite. I'd never actually say this to anyone. Oh, let's slow down. I'm getting too eager with these DSG farts. Last thing I want is a DSG fart and then rear-ending someone. So that's not quite ideal. That's not my tempo. I must be like the worst guy with directions. Like, I don't know if it's just me or if anyone can actually relate, but when it comes to directions and asking me where to go, don't ask me to direct you, because I won't get you there. Even Google Maps, bro, when it's telling me take the 3rd exit, that's very helpful when there's 42 lanes. So I'm sorry if I've ever cut you off on a roundabout. It's not really my fucking fault that they hired Picasso to start painting all over the roundabouts, bro. That's actually my dream career job. I want to paint English flags into roundabouts, really get British culture across, because, you know, I feel like it's just what we're missing. You know, I didn't want to do any of my GCSEs. I just aspired to have a paintbrush and a bucket in one hand, and I'm just fucking whipping up shit in a kettle. Oh, that's not funny. I'm not funny. You know you got peak humor when you just make yourself laugh. At least that's what I say. Most people just call me weird. And that my breath smells. I think that one's completely unrelated, though. I feel like the breath smelling part is probably just because I don't brush my teeth that much. I love the UK. I love the UK. This is, some guy looked at this and thought, okay, we're gonna make town a 30, but this, now this can be a 60 miles per hour. You see this sharp ass bend coming up? Yep. Let 17-year-olds with their Nissan Micra fly through at 60 miles per hour. Oh, but sir, don't you think that's a little bit dangerous? Yeah, maybe, but it might teach them a lesson, you know. They'll be eating out through a feeding straw for the rest of their life, but it's gonna be peak humor. You know, these parts of the roads are so ass. And the problem with your car being so low, it feels like I'm scraping my asshole every time I drive past. Oh, fuck, I just hit a pothole that made me flinch as well. Fuck, I'm an idiot. And like, a lot of people have been asking me for fitness advice because they said I look really fucking wham and muscly. And like, obviously, guys, thank you. I don't want to be like full of myself, but the diet's just monsters and cigarettes. And then on the weekends, it's a bit of the white Colombian powder. And that's all. That's literally the secret to getting my physique. So there is not much secret behind it. It's just like, I like to call it starve maxing. A lot of people call it like an eating disorder, but those are like those sissy liberals, bro. I have no idea what they're on about. Oh my god, it's pulling me! Get out of the way! Sorry, I just had to clip farm. That's definitely going in the intro. So if you watch to this part, you'll understand now. Okay, I had to sell the dream, right? Good salesman has to sell the YouTube video, right? Otherwise, they're not gonna fucking watch it. We're gonna get 4-window down action now. We're gonna see if you can hear the DSG file once and for all. I know you can hear it on the video, but all right, everyone be quiet. Some people like to call it noise pollution or like loud antisocial behavior. I like to call it like an alarm clock, you know, it's sort of motivation when you hear someone driving past in a fast car. You know, when you see like a supercar and you're like, you have to lock in for a minute, you realize like, damn bro, why am I not in a supercar? You know, you get the point. Oh, he's turning. I actually kind of wanted to go, oh no, fuck it, I'll just go this way. Definitely legal, you could definitely do that. Just make sure you check your mirrors. Luckily for me, I've got 8 eyes. I'm like a fucking spider. I can see everything in the back of my head as well, so I don't even check my blind spots. Just willy-nilly cross over lines and just hope no one's there. You know, look at the beautiful roads. There's just no one, and there's one dickhead cyclist who's wearing a helmet. Oh, look at me. Look at me being fucking, what's it called? Ecological. Fuck, I just stared into the sun. Look at me being environmentally friendly, wearing my cycling helmet, so that my boyfriend can bum me when I get home. Oh fuck, that's disgusting. Why did my thingy just start bouncing?